Hello guys, today we are going to see some more functions and shortcut keys. Okay, so right now, as you can see, we are on this particular case study sheet and I just want to open a new sheet. So to open a new sheet, what can I do? I can click on this particular new sheet icon over here, or there is a shortcut key named as Ctrl plus N. To open a new sheet, I press Ctrl plus N. So as I press Ctrl plus N, I got a new sheet being open, or a new workbook is being get open. Okay. So here in this particular new sheet, what can I do? I just add a column over here on this first column A. Column name is, let's say, city dash pin code. Okay, I have this column city dash pin code. Okay, so for this particular column, I just add some city and pin code over here. As I said, Bhopal dash and pin code. Let's say like this pin code is okay. And then I add another city named Pune. Its pin code is like I'm just guessing 4704. Then I just add one more city. Let's say it's Delhi. Delhi pin code is okay. And one more city I can add. Let's say I add Bangalore. Okay. Okay. So I have here cities and their pin code, respective pin codes. Okay. So for example, we have this type of columns. Maybe there is one more variable over here. After pin code also, there is some or latitude, longitude is present over here, or the state is also given. Okay. So like city, pin code, then state. Okay. And what I want to get from this particular data, I just want to add another column named city. Okay, I just want to add another column named city, in which from this particular column I only want cities. Okay, so one method of doing is like I just see these particular city like Bhopal. I just type Bhopal, HOPL Bhopal. Okay, then Pune, then Delhi, and so on. But I'm not going to write all these cities name, because in this particular case I have only 4 rows, but in practical scenario there might be hundreds and thousands of rows can be present over there. So what can I do? I just give one city name only, and then I will use a shortcut key name as Ctrl plus E. Control plus E is known as flash fill. So I just select, right now Bhopal is being selected. I just press Control plus E, and then you see all my cities are being appeared. You can see it automatically understand that we just want like cities from my city names before dash. There are cities name, and it automatically gives me the name of the cities like Bhopal, Pune, Delhi. Similarly, what can I do? I just give one pin code over here, like it is 456007, and then I press Control plus E. So you can see all the pin code are being present over here. Okay. So using this method, it becomes very easy for me to get these cities and pin code over here. So this is the shortcut key name as Control plus key. If you somehow forget the shortcut key Control plus E, what can you do? You can go on this particular data tab, and in this data tab, I just remove this particular pin code. Let's say, okay. Then let's say cities as well. Okay, I just remove the cities. Okay, it was like this. What can I do? I have this option on the data tools group. I have a tool name as flash fill. So data tab, data tools group option is flash fill. as I take my cursor on this particular flash fill, you can see there is it automatically give me the usage, what is the usage of this particular tool, and it is also showing me the shortcut key Ctrl plus E. Okay, so I just press on this flash fill, it automatically flash fills the my particular city's name. Okay, similarly I again 1007. Okay, I again use this particular flash fill option. Okay, and got the pin code. Okay, so these are the two methods using which I can fill the city's name and pin codes. Okay, I hope so it is clear. Another method, what can I do is I can use a function name as left. Okay, so how does this left function works? So as I know, from the left side of this particular value is my city. If I just select this particular value, Bhopal dash pin code, Bhopal Pune dash pin code, Delhi, then Bangalore. So on the left side is the name of the city. So how can I use it? I press equals to left. Okay, press tab. Okay, I have the text and number of characters. So I select this this particular text, comma, number of characters. For the city, number of characters are 6. So I press 6, round brackets close, and then press enter. Shift downward, Ctrl plus T. Okay, so as you can see, for the first city I get its name as Bhopal, but for other city I get Pune dash 4 as well. Delhi dash Bangalore is not being completed because in my function I had given the number of characters as 6. So because of this, it as I fill this function, this 6 remains the constant. What is 6 represent? 6 represents the number of characters from the left hand side. Okay, so from the left hand side I got these 6 characters, so Pune 4 and then dash and then 4. Okay, so I get these 6 particular characters. For the Delhi I get these 5 letters, then dash. For Bangalore I got till O. Okay, so by doing this I got all these 6 characters from the left hand side. Okay, so this is my city. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now another thing, what can I do here is I can fill the pin code as well. I use to fill its pin code. So in the pin code also I can use the write function. But before that I just want to bring only the name of the city. What can I do to fill the name of the city is that I can use a function name as find. So what does find function do? I will show you find. So here is the find function. Find function give me the index of the character. Okay, find function give me the index of the character. So my text, what text I want to find, I just press quotes, then dash, then quotes, comma, within which text I want to find it. I want to find it within this text, A2, comma, start number. So start number gives me the at which location, how many times this dash comes. I want to find its location. Suppose this dash comes 2 times. So for which dash I want to find the index. So whatever the location, I have only one location. So I just, there is no requirement of giving the start number. I press enter. So I get the, as you can see, I get this 7. What is this 7 represent? I then fill it down. So this dash location is that 6 letters are of the Bhopal, then 7th letter is dash, so I get 7. For Pune, 5th letter is dash, so I get 5. For Delhi, 6th letter is dash. For Bangalore, 9th letter is this dash. Okay, so in this way I get the location of this dash using this find function. So how does this function helps me is just before, as you can see, my length of my city is like 6 from starting the 6. It is 1 less than my dash, index of dash. So it is always going to be the number of characters of my city is always 1 less than the index of my dash. As you can see, after completion of the name of my city, their dash comes. So it is always going to be the same. As you can see also here, for the Pune, it is going to be the 4 number of characters are 4, which is 1 less than the index of the my dash. For Delhi also, number of characters are 5, which is 1 less than the location of its index at the city pin code. For Bangalore also, the location of index is 9, which is 1 less than the length of the city. Okay. So how can I use it? Instead of putting 6, I can use this particular G2 and I just subtract 1 from this text. Okay. Then press enter. I just fill it. So you can see now I get the name of all the cities which are being required. Okay. So you can use it and just try to do it at your home. Thank you so much.